AI is writing 90% of the code. In 12 months, we may be in a world where AI is writing essentially all of the code.
AI is transforming enterprises. Every process, every product, every software is going through huge transformation. When everything is transforming, how can you imagine that human engineering roles will not? You need to take care of your career now, and you can only take care of your career if you become. In this video, I'll be talking about 5 specific engineering roles which are going through huge transformation, and as an engineer you have to know it. So stay tuned, because in AI world there are no silos. You might get benefit from any segment. Hi, my name is Amit Arora and I'm an ex-Amazonian. I was a programmer turned into a security architect before I joined AWS. I joined AWS right when AI was in its full bloom, or it was just starting. Before I begin this, please watch this clip.
Artificial intelligence would be the ultimate version of Google. The artificial intelligence, would be able to answer any question basically, because almost everything is on the web.
This guy is Larry Page. You might all know. He's a founder of Google. He predicted this future 25 years back, and that future is happening now. Just watch this video till the end. So let's dive in. Let's talk about DevOps. So what does a DevOps engineer do, or what the DevOps engineering is? If you are a DevOps engineer, you might build pipelines, write scripts, Terraform, CloudFormation, etc., etc. You might spend endless time of yours in doing debugging and deploying, rolling back, handling incidents, taking care of pager duties. That is the DevOps engineer day-to-day work in today's life. Do you think this can continue? The MTTR, mean time to recover, is too much. And in these days, with AI-enabled businesses cannot afford to be down or be debugging all the times. You need systems which can auto-heal. You need systems which can auto-detect issues. You need systems which can predict. You need systems which are smart enough to integrate right kind of tools. You need pipelines which are built by agents and monitored by AI, not by human engineers. As a DevOps engineer, in future, you won't be building the pipelines. You will be orchestrating the pipelines using AI ops. You will spin up new pipelines with those tools and processes. So you will not remain a DevOps engineer. You will become a AI ops orchestrator who will envision how to build a pipeline, how to run a pipeline, what tools needs to be integrated into it, how the whole DevOps process or how the whole software will be running in prod and being operationally stable. This is a job of AI and one DevOps 10x engineer, which will be called AI Ops Orchestrator. Go learn about tools like IBM AI Ops, Datadog AI Ops, GitLab Duo, GitHub Copilot, Microsoft Copilot, Amazon Q, Amazon Code Guru, Amazon Code Whisper, Cursor. All these tools are going to make DevOps a well-oiled AI orchestration system. And you will become the orchestrator of AI agents, not a DevOps engineer, AI Ops Orchestrator. Moving on. Let's talk security. Imagine what a hacker will do today to hack or attack some websites. Of course, he will use AI agents and AI processes and automation to find vulnerable users, spoof them, or create DDoS attacks, or inject malwares, or do remote code execution. It's all going to be done by automation. Attackers are not going to do this manually. They're smart people. They're going to be using resources to create more exploits. In this warfare, as a security engineer or defender, do you think you have opportunity to defend that kind of scale of attacks? Can you take care of so many alerts coming your way day in and day out? No, of course not. Management needs to enable the acceleration of vulnerability management faster. They will have automated SOCs. They will have automated threat detection systems. They will have automated compliance, and all will be attached with some live threat intelligence systems which will be feeding and enriching the flywheel constantly. So as a security engineer, what will you do? You will not picking up Jira tickets to work on from some vulnerability remediation systems. You will be actually becoming a software automation expert who will be imagining these automated systems and using agents. Again, agents. I'm going to use agents many times because agents, that's a tiny piece of AI interface you have, which connects LLM with the intelligence or the context. Here, the LLM would be contextualized with security data, and engineers will interact with these agents to prevent, detect, and also pen test. So your whole ecosystem of detecting vulnerabilities, remediating them, categorizing them to risk, and creating compliance out of it would all be automated. So as a security engineer, learn to work with tools like Wiz, Microsoft Copilot Security, CrowdStrike, and there are like many more tools. Message me if you want to know more about them. Now, coming to developers. No, you won't be coding anymore. There will be no one who will be coding in future. And no, you're not getting replaced either. But you are becoming AI integrated software creators rather than just software developers. You cannot put yourself in a corner and say that I'm going to fix the light in this refrigerator because I'm a great coder. No. You're going to look at the whole refrigerator, whole system as a whole, and plug yourself as a creator. You will be more aligned to the business than to the tech. You will have the power to understand how you can use assistants like Cursor, Copilot in your IDEs and create softwares which can actually power the enterprise as a whole. You cannot now put yourself in a domain. Everything is your domain now. Your job is to learn these tools and apply DSAs, which you have to know, and become 10x engineers, not just software developers, data engineers. What will you do? Pipelines, extraction, transformation, writing queries, transforming from one structure to another. That's what you did till now. That was data engineering. But again, all of that is going to be replaced. You probably won't need human engineers to transform data, to extract, to make it available to another system. All of that would again be taken care by automation. You will become data automation strategist. Your job would be to create interfaces to your data, which can then be exposed to the outside world. Check about MCPs. MCP servers are basically interfaces to your underlying data structures. If you are using a MongoDB to do your data storage, you might have a MCP server on top of that. MCP server is today's technology. It can change. But what I'm trying to say is it is all going to be interfaced by AI agents. There is no data engineer who would be touching the data in future. You will be interfacing with AI agents to talk to data and make it available to business units or other AI interfaces. You will be the creator of those interfaces in the enterprise, and you will know which business unit will consume your interfaces. So you will be data automation strategist, not just a data engineer. So get out of data engineering. I'm not saying forget data engineering. You should know everything about data engineering, but you should know also how AI is going to change it. Also, check for tools like Fivetran, Databricks AI, and any other MCP orchestration systems which are available today to interface on data. Finally, moving on to leadership, the directors, CISOs, VPs, like what will they do? They will definitely not be ordinary managers who are managing some engineers, because engineers will manage themselves. They will become 10x. And in the team, there will be one engineer and 5 bots. They are AI first leaders. Their first job is to think how to use AI to enable business. And the second job of them is to have empathy. Because in today's world where AI can replace anything, no job is safe. So I feel the middle manager layer will fade away. There is no need to have so much managers. You cannot remain bookkeepers and accountable for somebody's career because he will take care of his career on his own. You need to take care of your career now. And you can only take care of your career if you become AI first and you get some empathy in your mindset. Thanks for giving so much love to my last video. And based on that love, I'm creating this.